Most personal trainers struggle to get leads because they don't have a system to capture potential clients. They post content, hope people reach out, but most of the time, nothing happens. Sound familiar? Here's the problem. If you don't have a way to capture leads and nurture them, you're constantly stuck chasing new clients instead of having them come to you. Think about it. People see your posts, maybe even like them, but what happens next? Nothing. They scroll past and they are gone forever. That's why you need a lead magnet, a simple, high-value resource that makes people want to give you their contact info. In this video, I'll show you the #1 best lead magnet for personal trainers, the one that actually works, and I'll walk you through how to create it in less than 60 minutes. And if you're serious about building a predictable fitness business, hit like and subscribe because I drop new business building strategies here every single week. Okay, so we know you need a lead magnet, but here's the problem. Most trainers create lead magnets that unfortunately don't actually work. You put time into making something, maybe it's a free PDF or a downloadable nutrition guide, but then nobody downloads it. And the few that do, unfortunately, they never turn into clients. Sound familiar? Well, let me save you a ton of frustration by breaking down the 3 biggest mistakes trainers make when creating lead magnets. Big mistake #1, offering something too generic. Download my free fitness guide. Yeah, unfortunately, no one's signing up for that. Why? Because there's zero urgency and no clear benefit. So the fix would be your lead magnet needs to solve one specific problem in a way that's easy to digest and easy to implement. Big mistake #2, making it too long. Trainers think they need to give away a 50-page ebook to prove their expertise. But guess what? Nobody's going to spend the time reading it. So the fix, the best lead magnets are short, actionable, and give quick wins. Big mistake #3, not tying it into your coaching. A bad lead magnet is like handing someone a free gym towel and expecting them to sign up for a year-long membership. There's no clear next step. So the fix, your lead magnet should naturally lead into a paid offer, whether that's a coaching session, a challenge, or an ongoing program. So now you know what not to do. Let me show you exactly what does work. Coming up next, I'll reveal the #1 best lead magnet for personal trainers, the one that actually works and turns leads into paying clients. So now that we know why most lead magnets fail, let's talk about the one that actually works. Because here's the deal. People don't want another free PDF that, in all likelihood, they're never going to read. They also don't want to sign up for a webinar they're most likely going to forget to attend. What they do want is something fast, something interactive, and something that's personalized. So the best lead magnet for personal trainers, in my opinion, is a quiz. A fast and engaging way for potential clients to self-assess and for them to get instant value. So why do quizzes work better than PDFs or webinars? Well, they have higher conversion rates. Quizzes have an average conversion rate of 30 to 50% compared to just 3 to 10% for traditional lead magnets. People love taking quizzes. Think about it. When was the last time you scrolled past a "What's your fitness type?" quiz without clicking? They give instant value. Unlike an ebook that sits in their downloads folder, quizzes give instant feedback and help potential clients understand their fitness level. They build trust and authority. You position yourself as an expert by diagnosing their problem and offering a tailored solution. It leads directly into your paid offer. Every quiz result should naturally guide people into your coaching program or service. This is why quizzes consistently outperform traditional lead magnets. Hey, now that you know why quizzes are the best lead magnet, let's build one in just 60 minutes. So I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process so that you can have a fully functional client-generating quiz ready to go today. Step 1 is to pick a quiz topic that solves a problem. By that, I mean your quiz needs to be goal-orientated, meaning it helps people solve a specific problem related to their health and wellness. So some great quiz examples for personal trainers could be, what's your fat loss type? Take the quiz to find out. Another might be, are you training for your body type? Discover your ideal workout plan. Or, what's holding you back from your fitness goals? Take this 2-minute quiz. The key, make it specific and make it easy to understand. Step 2, write 5 to 7 simple, engaging questions. The key here is to keep your quiz short and to the point. Remember, we're following the SAGE framework. Short, actionable, goal-orientated, and easy to consume. So types of questions you could do are some self-assessment questions, such as how many times do you work out per week? Or you might go for some goal-orientated questions. What's your number one fitness goal right now? An alternative might be some pain point questions. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to fitness? I like to use multiple choice answers to make it easy to complete. Step 3, create 3 to 4 quiz results types. Remember, the magic of quizzes is in the results. This is where you help your prospects understand their fitness level and guide them towards the right solution. Examples of quiz results might be the fat loss seeker. This person wants to lose weight but struggles with consistency. Another might be the strength builder. This person's focused on muscle gain but lacks structure. A third option might be the busy professional. They want results, but they have limited time. Each result should lead naturally into your coaching offer. Step 4, set up your quiz using ScoreApp. Now, this is the fun part. This is where we get the quiz up and running. So use the drag and drop builder in ScoreApp to add your questions and answers. Customize quiz results with clear explanations and set up an automated email follow-up sequence. As I said, with ScoreApp, you can launch a quiz in under an hour and it's really easy to use. You built it. Now let's get people to take it. So now you've got your quiz set up. Great job. But here's the thing. A great quiz sitting on your website doing nothing will not get you leads. You need to actively promote it to get people taking it every single day. In this section, I'm going to show you the 3 best ways to promote your quiz and start generating leads immediately. Step 1, promote your quiz on social media. Social media is one of the fastest ways to drive traffic to your quiz if you do it the right way. So how do you post about your quiz? Well, firstly, we want to create curiosity posts. Want to know your fitness type? Take my free quiz and find out. Next up, you want to share your own quiz results. I took my own quiz and I'm a strength builder. What's your fitness type? Use stories and reels. Show behind the scenes clips of people actually taking the quiz. You could as well pin your quiz link on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And a pro tip, use polls and questions in your Instagram stories to create engagement before directing people to your quiz. Step 2, promote your quiz via email marketing. Your email list is one of your most powerful tools for driving leads to your quiz. So here's how to use email to get quiz signups. Email number 1, what's your fitness type? Introduce the quiz and why they should take it. In email 2, send the quiz results and the next steps. Guide them towards your coaching or free consultation. In email 3, follow up with value. You can do this by providing tips based on their quiz result and offer them a way to work with you. Bonus pro tip, add a Take My Quiz link to your email signature for constant visibility. Step 3, use your quiz in networking and partnerships. If you work with local gyms, corporate wellness programs, or fitness studios, your quiz can be a great lead magnet to share with their audience. Here's how to leverage partnerships for quiz leads. Ask gym owners to share it. That link could be take this quiz to see if you're training for your body type. You can also use it in Facebook groups. My recommendation there would be to offer it as a free resource in community discussions. Or why not run a small ad campaign? If you want fast traffic, a small budget for Facebook or Instagram ads can get your quiz in front of hundreds of ideal clients within hours. Pro tip, if you run local events or challenges, use your quiz as the entry point to get people onto your email list. And the final takeaway, keep promoting consistently. The more you talk about your quiz, the more people will take it and the more leads you'll get. Coming up next, I'll show you exactly what to do with all those leads that you're about to generate. Okay, so you've got leads coming in from your quiz. Amazing. But here's where most trainers go wrong. They get new leads and then nothing happens. No follow-up, no engagement, and therefore no conversions. So I don't want that for you, so let's fix that. In this section, I'll show you exactly how to turn your new quiz leads into paying clients. Step 1, send an instant quiz result email. The moment someone completes your quiz, they should receive an automated email with their results. So what should you include in the quiz result email? Well, my recommendations are a personalized result breakdown. Example, that would be, here's what your quiz result means for you. It should also include a quick win. Try this one tip to start seeing results today. Next up, a call to action. Want a step-by-step plan? Book a consult with me. And a pro tip, I personally use ConvertKit, it's actually called Kit now, to automate this entire process. So sending quiz results, tagging leads, and follow-up is all automated. I'll drop the link to it in the description if you want to check that out. Step 2, follow up with value-driven emails. Leads rarely convert on the first interaction, so you need to nurture them with more value. So here's an example of an email follow-up plan. Day 1, welcome and quiz result breakdown. On day 3, client story and how others have gotten results. On day 5, the number 1 mistake people make with their quiz result. Day 7, how to work with me. That's where you can offer a free consultation or special offer. And a pro tip, if you're looking for a simple way to set this up, check at the description below for the exact tool I use to automate my emails and follow-ups. Step 3, engage with leads personally. Don't just rely on automation. Personally connect with the leads who are engaging with your content. So how to convert leads into clients? Firstly, DM the most engaged leads. You could say, hey, first name, so you took my quiz. Want me to send you a quick tip based on your results? Then invite them to a free strategy call. You could do that by saying, let's map out your plan in a free 15-minute session. Another idea would be to run a flash promo for quiz takers. Hey, for the next 48 hours, I'm offering special offer to people who completed the quiz. And a pro tip, most personal trainers don't do this. So stand out by personally engaging with your leads. I can't stress it enough, that can be a game changer. And the final takeaway is the follow-up for success. Generating leads is just the start. Your follow-up system is what turns those leads into real clients. So coming up next, I'll challenge you to take action and to implement this system in the next 7 days. Okay, we've covered everything you need to create a high-converting quiz. But knowing this stuff isn't enough. You have to actually do it. So here's my challenge to you. Launch a quiz lead magnet in the next 7 days. No overthinking, no perfectionism, just action. Day 1 to 2, choose your quiz topic and structure your questions. In days 3 to 4, set up your quiz using ScoreApp or your preferred quiz making tool. On day 5, write your follow-up email sequence. I use ConvertKit for automation. You'll find the link in the description below. Day 6 to 7, start promoting your quiz on social media as well as through email. And a pro tip, done is better than perfect. Just launch your quiz and you can tweak it later. And a bonus, if you want a head start, to make it easy, I've created a free quiz lead magnet checklist and you can grab that in the description below and follow those steps to get your quiz live as soon as possible. Coming up next, I'll do a quick recap and give you the final steps to start growing your fitness business with this fantastic strategy. Okay, quick recap. If you want to build a predictable flow of high quality leads, here's the exact process I recommend you follow. Step 1, create your quiz. So choose a topic based on your niche. For example, what's your fat loss type? Step 2, set it up with ScoreApp. Use a quiz building tool. It just helps to automate everything. Step 3, build an email follow-up sequence. As I said previously, I use ConvertKit. You'll find the link below. That's what I use to send my results and to nurture leads. Step 4, promote your quiz consistently. So share it on your socials, in emails, and through partnerships. Step 5, follow up and convert leads. Remember, DM the most engaged leads and invite them to take the next step. When you follow this system, your quiz won't just bring in leads, it will bring in paying clients. Want some help? Drop the word quiz, Q-U-I-Z, in the comments if you're committed to launching your lead magnet this week. And if you want a step-by-step guide, then grab my free quiz lead magnet checklist. Again, you'll find the details below. And for a pro tip, if you're serious about building your fitness business, make sure you're subscribed because I drop new business building videos each and every week.